Is this the end of our July pump? Was that it? Are we going to go up a little higher, or are we going to test some lower levels here in Bitcoin? That's what I'm going to talk about here in this video. I'm also going to talk about two strategies for buying Bitcoin at the end of this bear market. And yes, I did say the end of this bear market. Most people think the bear market just started. Actually, bull market is about to start. You're going to want to watch this video. Stick around. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code here. Hope you guys are doing well. Bitcoin is at about $62,631. We hit a high yesterday. What did we hit? About 63,400. Kind of Bitcoin's trying to make its way to 64,000. I'm not quite sure it's actually going to get there unless we have a big pump today. Today is the 5th of the month of July. By the way, happy July 4th. If you guys want to stick around to the end of this video, I'll pop on a video of last night. Fireworks were banned here in Utah, and so we got a bunch of Teslas together, and we did a big Tesla light show last night in front of our house. So I'll go ahead and post that for you guys to see, whoever wants to see it. So I hope you had a safe July 4th. So on the 5th of every month for the last, I think, 9 months, maybe there was 1 month that didn't do it, we had a good 3 to 5% drop. I think it's actually more like, 3 to 5% drop in Bitcoin in a matter of just a couple days after that. Is it going to play out again? I don't know. You can't always just say that, just because something happened on the 5th of each month, but yeah, it's kind of interesting to watch. I do see that, we've had a nice little pump here the last few days. Probably going to go back and retest a few levels down to 61,200, maybe hit 60,000, maybe even touch 59,000. And that would actually be a really healthy thing for the markets. So yeah, right now, a couple trades that I have going here. I've taken lots of profits. Hold on, let me see if I can get this going here. So several trades that I have going here right now. If you guys can see these here, I've got my nice 2 Bitcoin longs there that have secured quite a bit of profit in here, about almost about $16,000, and then I've got a nice ETH short and a Bitcoin short going right now. These are all done from trade plans that you can find here at the Crypto Code. We do trade plans. If you're not trading with a plan, you shouldn't be trading. And most people don't know how to get into a trade, how to set a stop loss, and how to exit a trade with your take profits. If you want to learn how to do that, we'll teach you how to do that. Go down to the description of this video where you can register for a workshop, and we'll teach you how to trade with a plan. So those are some of the trades that I have in place. Remember, there's 3 ways to make money in crypto, and then I'm going to go ahead and then I'm going to go ahead and talk about the 2 ways to buy Bitcoin in the cycle low. Okay, so number 1 way to make money in crypto is buying at cycle lows and selling at cycle highs. So that's cycle trading. We do that with our TCC Cycle Pro indicator. We actually are in the window right now. Between now and about January to February is the window where you get into Bitcoin. Now, some of the altcoins might be even before then. And then we ride that cycle up, and then we sell towards the cycle highs, and usually in about 3 years after that. So if you're watching this video right now is one of the best times to get into crypto. When nobody's interested, everyone thinks it's a scam, prices are really low, this is the time to start getting into it. That doesn't mean to go all in today. No. There's a certain time and place to do that. Go watch our workshop, we'll show you how. The second way to make money in crypto is trading. Just like you see me doing here, we're trading in crypto on a weekly basis, monthly basis, daily basis. Even kind of depends what your strategy that you want to do. And this is where you can make consistent income when the market is going up or down. This is actually my favorite way to make money in crypto because I can make money at any time in the market. It doesn't matter if we're going up or down. The third way to do it is with automation and automated bots. And we also teach that in the workshop as well. So those are 3 ways. All right, let's shift over to talk about Bitcoin. And the 2 ways to buy Bitcoin or to get into Bitcoin or even altcoins at these bear market bottoms. And yes, we are about ready to get ready to turn around and head into the bull market. Bull markets start at the bottom. Okay, not at the top. Most people think when Bitcoin, passes 100K, hey, you were in the bull market. No, bull markets start at the bottom. Bear markets start at the top. So right now, Bitcoin is testing the 200-week moving average. Oh, dogs are here. You might hear some barking here in a second. So historically, when we test this 200-week moving average and we go below it, this is a good value area to start dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Now, caveat there. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin can't go down. It definitely can go down, and most likely will go down from this level. So if you're buying here at these levels, if you're buying here at 62,000, if you bought at 57,000, what did it get to, 680 or so, it could drop in half. It literally could drop in half from there. And if you haven't been in crypto for a while, you need to understand that this type of buying is a long-term strategy. This is where you're buying and you're coming back in 3 years, a little less than 3 years sometimes. And so you have to stomach that volatility. So you never go all in. So one way is to start dollar cost averaging during these months when we are at the 200-week moving average or below that. This is where you start doing your buys. And you might do a monthly buy. You might put it in quarters and just buy between now, and that window, between now and January, February of this next year. That's one way to do it. And then even if you drop in half your other buys, your average entry you'll get a better average entry price over time, and then put it to a hardware wallet, come back 3 years, sell it, and that's been a really, really solid strategy. The other way, which is my preferable way, is to use our TCC Cycle Pro indicator. And on that indicator, we wait until we flip green. And as soon as we start getting some signals to flip green, we kind of get some pre-signals before then, that's when we enter in. Now, we don't enter in necessarily a full position, and we still put a stop loss in there. And this is where we start entering in. And when we flip green, we go in. And if we're in that cycle window, with that 4-year cycle window, that's when we then hold that position for about another 3 years or a little less than 3 years, and then we sell when we flip. At least we sell when we flip red, or we still sell. We start to scale out as we get up to the top, as we start to see these rises up, and we get into that cycle window again. And that's how we were able to get into Bitcoin this last cycle at 15,500, 17,000, 15,500, 17,000, and then scale out at about 120,000. Sold some at 126,000, but eventually got out of all Bitcoin at about 113,000 this cycle. And then, now you've seen we've come down about 50% plus, and you've saved yourself a nice big drawdown, and then we just get to do it again. And you can do the same thing with altcoins. So if you want to learn how to do this, go down in the description of this video. We'll teach you in our workshop. We give you 3 valuable gifts, including $10 in Bitcoin, a free weekly trade plan, and we also give you a really cool indicator called the TCC Cycle Pro Lite indicator. All is for free, just for attending the workshop. So that's how I invest in Bitcoin. That's how I invest in altcoins, and that's what's worked great for us and our members for years and years and years. If you want to learn how to do it, I gave you the info below. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments of this video. We answer every single question. If you guys like this video, you want more content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, get on our newsletter so you can learn more about crypto. This is the best time to get in the markets. Right now is the best time. I hope you're listening, because most people don't get involved with crypto until it's pumping. They'll wait for Bitcoin to get above 100,000, 110,000, and that's when they want to buy crypto. I'm going to close out. I mentioned this story just the other day, and I'm going to say it again in case you didn't see my other video. I had a family member I was having a conversation with the other day, and they said to me, hey, oh man, I've seen Bitcoin and Ethereum have gone way down. Should I sell now and then wait for the price to drop lower and then buy? And that red flag hit me right there. That's a good sign, because when that happens, that tells me that people are capitulating at the bottoms. This is the kind of thinking people have near the bottoms. They finally can't take it anymore. They see that it's dropped so much, and then they want to sell. And as soon as they do that, guess what happens? Yep, price goes back up. And so no, the time to sell is at these tops. When we get these signals at the tops, that's when you sell. And when you buy is when we start to flip green. You buy when sentiment is down. You buy when people, like your family member, calls you and says, maybe I should sell my Bitcoin now and Ethereum now, and then wait for it to go down and then buy back in. No, those are all bottoming signals. I look at all of these things and I've seen it time and time again. These are all bottoming signals and good times to get into the market. This is Joel with Crypto Code. Thank you for watching this video. As always, take massive action in your life. In anything you do, always trade with a plan. If you don't know how to trade with a plan, let us teach you. Take care. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. The Tesla light show.
It takes about 5 seconds.
Oh, it's going. Here it goes. There we go. Woohoo! There we go. Yeah. Hey, if you liked that video, there's another one right here. You can click on it and learn more about what we do. Also, you can go down in the description of this video, get a free risk calculator. You can check out our workshop. You can check out all the resources here at the Crypto Code. If you want content that's going to teach you how to finally be profitable in crypto, trading, investing, hit the like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and we'll see you guys in the video. And if you have questions, comment down below. We answer every single one. Take care, guys.